Natural remedies for coughing. Coughing is a respiratory infection that many people suffer from. It can happen more often at night, especially in the early morning hours, when it is very cold. Likewise, children as well as adults can suffer from it, with it being much more common in very young children and older adults. In this article, you will learn about some natural remedies for coughing, especially at night, which deprives many people of a good night's sleep and rest. Certain natural remedies have shown their effectiveness for years, which we can revive and put into practice today in order to improve the quality of life of those who suffer from nocturnal coughing. Lemon and honey. Lemon and honey are an excellent pair for treating and improving the symptoms of nocturnal coughing, which is why you should take it right when you go to bed. It is a very simple preparation that has a lot of effectiveness. The first thing you should do is heat a bowl of water. Add a tablespoon of honey and 1 of lemon juice. You should drink this preparation and immediately put it underneath your blankets. In this way, you will feel its calming effects much more that will especially decongest your throat and your respiratory tracts, preventing coughing episodes. After you drink this remedy, don't drink anything cold. Onion and honey syrup. This syrup that is made from onion juice and honey and is very effective for treating a cough. It especially prevents the uncomfortable coughing episodes that can happen during the early morning hours. Onion has great antibacterial and antibiotic properties. Honey, on the other hand, has many antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and antibiotic properties, with many others that, combined, form a very special natural remedy to relieve and prevent coughing. The way of preparing the syrup is very simple. The first thing you should do is hollow out a big onion. In the hollow part, add a few tablespoons of honey, and let sit for a couple of hours. During this time, the onion will release its juices, which will mix with the honey and produce this fabulous and effective onion and honey syrup. Take a tablespoon of this every hour. Another way of making this effective syrup is by taking out the slices of onion and putting them in a bowl. Add the honey and take a tablespoon of the honey you get from this process every hour.